Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stop pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, roll with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. and I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packets. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits.
That TTG money gang,
hey,
we some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Wow. What a day. What a day. Target reached. Target acquired. If you guys were on the live stream on Tuesday evening, we said if the core CPI number, if it comes in under expectations, we expect the SPY to get to 450. Well, we got to 450 today. Huge rally day in the markets. NVIDIA, Coinbase, Ripple news with the courts and SEC and whether it's a security or not. And if the SEC is going to be able to go after the exchanges for the trading of what they thought were securities, but the court's saying is not. Just a ridiculous day. Small caps, the SPAC market's on fire. EDTX, GGAA, everywhere you look, every corner of this market, things are going bananas. Now, I told you guys Sunday evening, this is why you have to subscribe to the channel. You guys are missing out on money-making opportunities by not being on these live streams. You're even more missing out on money-making opportunities by not being inside of our chat during the day or on our mobile app at least. You have a cell phone? Great. That's all you need to follow along with what myself and 10 professional traders are doing during the day, because this has been one of the biggest weeks of the entire year. Multiple triple-digit gain trades so far here this week. And I told you Sunday evening that that's the type of opportunity that's going to be here this week. Every single market participant is back. Last week was July 4th. Everybody was on vacation. Well, this is the week everyone's back. This is the week there's tons of data, inflation data, jobs data, Fed members speaking. It's all happening this week. It's all already been happening, and the markets are absolutely on fire. It's another huge day for us in True Trading Group. NVIDIA. If you guys were on the live stream last night, I told you I was long NVIDIA. We were holding on. It was a swing into today, and today NVIDIA flying to new all-time highs. Full disclosure, I have completely exited the NVIDIA position today. So we're now completely out. Now, I'm still long it in my long-term portfolio. That's going to stay there for the next decade. But as far as the swing trade, exited today. We are completely out. Congratulations, members. They were able to capitalize on that. But we also caught a monster on EDTX. We got to talk about what happened with Ripple, what's going on with Bitcoin, what's going on with Coinbase. There's so much to unpack. There's so many places to make money in this market. Let's go through and let's identify them. My name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I began my career working at T3 Alpha Fund. My first job out of college, I had to go through a 3-month educational trading program before they let me touch $1 of their money. That's where I learned how to become a trader. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession. The stock market crashed, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG, along with my team of 10 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff. We've helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals. We have members in 115 different countries. We're the fastest growing and highest rated premium platform out there. That's because we combine university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools. We do live workshops and provide mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We also do day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. We do all of it on the TTG platform and in the TTG community. Now, we take that university level of curriculum. It's a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned when I went through the 3-month training working at the fund in New York. That's the education you guys get when you guys join True Trading Group. But you also get the top premium stock market tools that are available in this industry. Now, these are tools that cost around $5,000 to $6,000 a year on their own, but you need them. You should be using them. They give you more information. They help you make better decisions. Therefore, they increase your chances of success. You should use them, but why don't people? Because it costs $5,000 or $6,000 a year. I know that. That's why we spent years building relationships with these companies so we can offer their products on our platform at no additional cost to you. You join our platform, you get access to these tools. You also get our members. Our members are the most helpful, successful, and supportive community of traders that you're ever going to find. You'll also get all the real-time alerts. Okay, all the real-time alerts from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions for the last 3 years of around 80%. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place, because 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here where myself, other THD Pro trading mods, and special guests drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, trade ideas, and market commentary that can help you become better traders. So if you're new, smash the like button first, then make sure you subscribe. Turn on your notifications. Make sure you guys never miss out on any of these live streams. Now, aside from going over the crypto chaos, crypto craziness today, we got to talk about crypto, Ripple, Coinbase. We're going to talk about all that here today. What are our expectations and our views now for Bitcoin and crypto-related stocks as they all went nuts today? Coinbase, Mara, Riot, MicroStrategy, they all went absolutely crazy today. Even Block went absolutely crazy. PayPal even getting a little bit of a boost. Any company that has anything to do with crypto was giving you a nice little boost today on the back of that news, and it's a news filing from a court. So we'll talk about that in a moment. But aside from that, recapping trades of the day, triple-digit gain for members on NVIDIA. Another monster trade on EDTX today, a small cap, craziness. We'll talk about the setups on both. But I'm also giving away $1,000 on this live stream. So one of you will win $1,000 right here on this live stream. In a moment, I'm going to give you a code word. Later in this live stream, I'm going to give you a second code word. At the end of this live stream, we will put everyone's name into the wheel of names. It's a random name picker. We'll spin the wheel. If your name is called, you will have a few minutes to send a text message to the number we put on the screen and provide both code words. If you do that, you'll win $1,000. Robert Ward says, I'm a new lifetime member for a month now. The best investment I've ever made. Today, I made $849 profit with 3 small trades, investing only $275. Just a wonderful day. Thank you, Adam and Michael, for TTG. Robert Ward, my absolute pleasure, brother. Congratulations on a wonderful day. $849. Great job. Really great job. This is the opportunity that's out there in this market, guys. Okay. You're talking about triple-digit gain trade opportunities on a daily basis in this market. Okay, this is the kind of stuff that's out there. So congratulations, Robert. Everybody else had big days today. So that's why. So here's the first code word. All right. So if you guys are ready for the first code word, the first code word is crypto. Crypto. The first code word is crypto. Crypto. That's the first code word. So write it down. And then in a little bit later on in this live stream, I'm going to tell you guys the second code word. So you're going to need to know both. First code word is crypto. All right. Now, let's get into, yes, way to go, Susie. Pepsi, one of my long-term portfolio snags about, 2 years ago or a year and a half ago. Great job. Second code word, Tammy. No, that's not the second code word. I'll give you the second code word later on in this live stream. But guys, this is what I have been talking about since last week, right? Now, if you guys caught the live stream on Sunday, I told you this was going to be a big week. I was pleading with people. I was begging people. I'm like, if you are sitting on the sidelines during this week, you're going to miss out on tremendous money-making opportunities. Go watch my live stream from Sunday evening. I said it verbatim basically the entire time. My whole stream on Sunday was basically like, this is going to be a crazy week. I don't just say those things just as like a sales tactic to get views or to get people to sign up to your trading group. I'm telling you these things on these live streams. I'm telling you exactly what I plan on doing to make money. That is what I am doing on these live streams. I don't just come on and tell you, hey, this is what happened today. No, I tell you, yeah, this is what happened today. This is what we can learn from it. But this is what I think is going to happen tomorrow. This is what I think is going to happen next week. I'm not telling you these things just for fun. I'm telling you these things because it's exactly what I am doing to make money. That is my job. That is all of our jobs as traders. Our job as traders is to make money. It is not to catch a stock's entire move. It's not to buy a stock at 10 and sell it at 100. It's to identify a setup in a stock that's going to give you a clear directional move and position yourself and make money from that move. You don't have to buy the very bottom and sell the very top. In fact, if you try to do that, you're going to fail. Nobody is good enough to buy the dead low and sell the dead high. Don't try to do it. You'll end up missing and leaving profits on the table. You'll end up, turning green trades into red trades. It is not a successful strategy for you to try to do that as a trader. Your job is to make money. And if you do that, pat yourself on the back. Members of True Trading Group are doing it. They got bruises on their backs from patting themselves on the back so much because this has been one of the biggest weeks that we've had in the entire year. Members of True Trading Group are making money. They're becoming better traders. Don't take my word for it. Members, do me a favor. Type the number 1 in chat right now if you guys are making money and you're becoming better traders. If you guys are having good weeks, if you guys are making money, tell me. I want to know. Sound off in chat. Type the number 1 if you guys are making money. If you guys are killing it this week, tell me how you did. Give me some numbers. Show me some dollar signs. Give me the percentage gains, whatever it is. Type the number 1 if you're making money, and then tell me how you're doing this week. It's been a monster week. We started things off with a big trade on Microsoft on Monday, then a monster trade on Coinbase on Tuesday, then a monster trade on NVIDIA yesterday, then another monster trade on NVIDIA today and EDTX today. You can't make this stuff up. These are the opportunities that are out there. Look at how many people are typing the number 1. If they can make money during this market environment, so can you. They're not making money because we're predicting the future. They're not making money because I'm giving them a special top secret indicator or chart pattern that Wall Street knows but doesn't want the retail trader to know. No, the reason why they're having success, the reason why they're typing the number 1 is very simple. They have access to a real professional level of education, like what I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. That's how I learned. I didn't have to sift through hours of YouTube videos or Reddit boards or Discord chats or Twitter feeds. I was taught by professionals. Very lucky and fortunate that that was my journey. Not everybody's lucky enough to say that they first learned working at a fund on Wall Street. I understand that I am lucky and fortunate enough for that to be the case. But that's the level of education that these members are receiving. They also have access to the top professional tools that are available. It gives them more information. It helps them make better decisions. Many of these things you guys pay for already. They have all the same excuses. Full-time job, no experience, lost money before, no time, small account, all the same hurdles that you have for yourself, all the same excuses. Oh, it's not the right time. It's not the right time. When is the right time? The right time was yesterday. The right time was a week ago, a year ago. It's never going to be the right time for you. This is the best market environment I have ever seen. I've been doing this now for 17, 18 years. Just look around you. Here, you need help? I got you. Don't worry about it. Look around. NVIDIA. Look at this move. This is $1 trillion. Look at this move. This is the epitome of a large cap. It's up $22. Look at Coinbase. What? Coinbase is up 28% today. This is not a penny stock. MicroStrategy is up $47. Alphabet. What? One of the biggest companies in the world. Stock's up 5%. These stocks are not usually supposed to be making these kind of moves. Let's take a look at EDTX today. Wait, what? This stock went from $15 to $80 in one day? Yes, this is what's out there. This is, Shopify? Oh, that stock's up 6%. Snowflake, look at that chart. Datadog, look at that chart. How about Alibaba? Look at that chart. These stocks are on fire. Block, formerly known as Square. And if you've been sitting on the sidelines this entire time, this is what you're missing. The market is a stone throw away from all-time highs. A stone throw away from all-time highs. Now, today, I think we had an exhaustion gap, or not an exhaustion gap. I think we had an exhaustion move today. I think today was a little bit of a blow off top. I expect a red day tomorrow. but just a pullback there. Today was a blow off move. Today felt like a blow off top. It felt like just money that's chasing this market in. We got to a resistance level. We rejected at it. I think maybe we take a little bit of a breather tomorrow. Okay. But there's a lot of opportunities out there that I am literally salivating for. And I'll go over a couple of them with you guys here today. But before we do all of that, I want to bring on my business partner and the co-founder of True Trading Group so we can begin this discussion today. Crypto craziness, right? What happened with Ripple? What happened with the District Court of New York, the Southern District of New York, I believe was the court. Adam can correct me on that if I'm mistaken. But what does this mean now for crypto? What does this mean for Coinbase? So guys, I am very honest about when it comes to crypto. I do not follow the crypto markets as much as I obviously follow the equity markets. I am a stock market guy. It's where I learned. It's where I thrive. That is what I consider myself an expert in. However, my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group is very, 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 very in tune with what's going on in the crypto markets. And I would consider him an expert in this industry. And he is someone that I go to when I have questions about crypto, when I want to know some guidance or some advice on what I should be doing. This is the person that I go to. So pay very close attention. Everybody give a big shout out and a big AO to my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group, Adam.
Yo, what's going on, everyone? What's up, Tammy? Crazy day for crypto, man. Crypto needed a win.
Yeah,
right.
They really did, man. And crypto
needed a win. I mean, after what happened with Scam Bankman-Fried and FTX and Coinbase and Binance and all these things, they needed a win. They got a big one today. Huge. And one of the benefits to being inside a True Trading Group is, Mike and I have been around the block a couple times, right? So, when these big things happen, we have people that we can reach out to that are professionals because we had somebody in chat today after it was announced, and that I am referring to is that Ripple or XRP, right, has been in an ongoing lawsuit with the SEC. The SEC is was trying to say that Ripple was a security. Ripple is saying I'm not a security, and it's been going on for many years. Well, today, after many years of fighting, guess what? Turns out that it was ruled that Ripple was not a security. However, one of the questions that one of our members asked today was, well, just because it's not a security, so that's fine. They won this lawsuit. However, can the SEC appeal it? Is it truly, truly done? Can they appeal it? What's next? So on and so forth, right? And, I'm not an attorney. I don't have the answer to those questions. I'm not an expert in, in SEC law and all that stuff. So what did I do? Well, I called someone that used to be the head of enforcement for the SEC's main office in Nevada. And live on a call, this woman took time out of her day to break down, hey, this is what could happen. They could appeal it. They could do these things. But this is a big win for the crypto space. Obviously, you saw Bitcoin and Ethereum and all of those start to make big moves higher. Ripple surged today. I think it was up at 100% at one point. I think last I looked, it was up like 72%. So it pulled in a little bit. But, it just, the whole space just needed a win. You had all these people that were so consumed with things like Pepe Coin or Sandcoin or these stupid DeFi tokens. And it does very little to move the needle or to move forward the space as a whole, right? And today was a big win, huge win. Now, is it a win that lasts? Is it a win that that everyone's going to be cheering about 2-3 weeks from now or a couple months from now, and the SEC is just going to forget about it? I mean, I don't have a crystal ball, but I don't think so. I think the SEC is going to try and do something to save face or come back at it in a different way, whatever it is, right? I do, so this is a great victory. I don't think that this is like, hey, we won the war. but I think this is the spark that the crypto sector needed to kind of have another run, or to at least potentially start another run, right? You know, and they needed it, and they got it, and look, you know, you don't. The one thing that I've learned is you never really count out big. You know, not that everyone should go sink their money in Bitcoin. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying you can never really count it out. You know, every time something happens, or you know, we think, oh, this is going to, you know, ruin the whole space. Things calm down. They get, you know, they come back together, and then something like this happens. You know, I don't know how many people had on their bingo board when they woke up this morning that Ripple was going to beat the SEC in this lawsuit today, but like I did not.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like that, and that's the curveball. That's the curveball.
Wow. So I guess now the question becomes like, what does this mean then now for like the exchanges? Because if you remember, the SEC was going after Coinbase. Remember, Coinbase, the stock had that huge gap down. The stock sold off crazy because the SEC was going after them, facilitating the sale of these, you know, what the SEC considered securities at the time. But now, if the courts are saying that Ripple is not a security, and that means some of these other tokens that were sold on these exchanges were not securities, then that really hamstrings the SEC's ability to go after these trading platforms.
Well, they're not saying this isn't about other tokens, and that's what people have to realize. This is a win for Ripple, right? So they're not saying that, you know, they're not saying that, like, you know, whatever DeFi token is not a security. They're just saying that with this specifically,
right,
that the court ruled that it was not a security. Hang on one second.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but you got to figure that it just bodes well for, you know, other major coins.
Absolutely. Right. So let me give you a couple of bullet points. Right. So today, the U.S. District Judge, Judge Annalisa Torres, ruled that Ripple Labs did not violate federal securities law by selling its XRP token on public exchanges. The ruling is seen as a landmark victory for the cryptocurrency industry and led to a 25% increase in the value of XRP when it happened, and then obviously went much higher. The judge also ruled that Ripple violated federal securities law by selling Ripple directly to sophisticated investors, and a trial could be
institutional. Yeah,
right. So this is, you know, everyone's looking at the headline. It's not so cut and dry. You know what I'm saying? Because selling it through a public platform and selling it to private investors is very different. So was it a security when you're selling it on a public platform? They ruled no. However, what they're saying here is that selling it to individual sophisticated investors, well, they did violate federal securities law with that, and a trial should be held over its executives' role in those sales. The SEC has accused Ripple and its executives of conducting a $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering by selling XRP. The ruling has renewed calls for Congress to pass legislation clarifying the status of digital assets, which I agree with. Then they went on to say that House Representatives Majority Whip Tom Emmer stated that the ruling established that a token is separate and distinct from an investment contract it may or may not be a part of, and called for this understanding to be made into law. I 1000% agree with this. Investors in the space need to have clear guidelines. They need to have clear lines in the sand of what is okay, what is not okay, so that people can proceed and operate within this, so that it can be something that people want to put their money into long term. It can be something that people feel somewhat, safe about putting their stuff into, their money into. Let me tell you, after what happened to Binance and FTX, if you were holding a substantial amount of money inside FTX, even if you were up a substantial amount of money previous, you'd have to be scared poopless to want to keep a ton of money in one of those brokerage accounts. You know, and I don't blame you.
Yeah.
So, you know, it'll be really interesting. It'll be really, really interesting. Yes, and I did say in chat, James Earlscone says, you said in chat that regulation of some kind is needed for it to get to where it can go to, where it needs to be. I agree 100%. Obviously, I said it, right? I was just saying what I said. But yes, I do believe that there needs to be some form of regulation, some form of clear line in the sand of what is what. Okay? But yeah, look, I give crypto alerts inside of True Trading Group. I do not give smaller tokens or anything like that. I give alerts when I buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, right? And I took a starter position in Bitcoin today. I took a little bit of a starter position in Bitcoin. I haven't really messed with crypto in a while. Let's see where I'm at. You know, but yeah. So we shall see. As of right now, you know, it doesn't matter what I'm up inside of the position. I don't really care. I'm holding it long term.
Right. You're not day trading this. This is
No, because I think it's gonna pull in a little bit. You know, I got a little. You know, I was holding a little bit at like a $25,000 average, and then I bought a good chunk at $31,690. So now my average is $30,004.99. You know, we're currently at 31,366.43. So I'm gonna wait. You know,
here's a question, Adam. I know you've talked about this a lot. Someone said, "How safe is Robinhood to have money there?"
I look. I think Robinhood is safe, right? Now, look, anything can happen, right? Anything can happen. The safest place for money is in, you know, how do you know your money is 100% safe? Don't ever leave your house and put it in your pocket. You know, that's where money is going to be the safest, right? As far as Robinhood goes, I do feel comfortable buying Bitcoin in Robinhood. It's FDIC insured. Now, would I buy a substantial amount of Bitcoin in there if I plan to hold it for the long term and then just leave it in there forever? You know, huge amounts of Bitcoin or whatever? Absolutely not. I'm a huge believer in cold storage, right? I'm a huge believer in cold storage. So if I'm, you know, right now I'm not really playing with size. I bought like $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. I mean, it was nothing. But if I was playing with size and I was buying like 2 or 3 Bitcoin or 4 you know, and I was holding it and my plan was to hold that for the long term, I wouldn't leave it in Robinhood. I would put it into cold storage.
Yeah.
And then I would tattoo my password on my forehead.
Oh man. This is a landmark decision. It really is. And you guys, you saw the reaction that you had with Coinbase specifically. I mean, this stock absolutely went insane. Look at this. Look at this candle today. Are you kidding me? I mean, just a ridiculous breakout day, massive volume. We have not traded this much volume in a single day since May of last year. May of last year. That is the last time that you traded 66 million shares in a single day.
Didn't Kathy Wood sell Coinbase today?
She I don't think she sold the whole thing. I think she trimmed it. But let's not forget, Kathy Wood bought when it dropped here to 50. So she bought here and then she trimmed some here, and then this news came out. I mean, obviously there was no way for her to know this news was coming out, right? Just like anybody else, no way. But she bought the stock at 50, and then she dropped it at 90. I mean, that's still pretty damn good. But I have to check. I don't think she sold her entire position. I think she just trimmed it, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I would be surprised if she sold the entire position. But your next resistance level that you have on Coinbase, I mean, it's not that far away at this point, but it's between 113 and 115. And between 113 and 115, you just take a look, and it was a previous little pivot there at the end of April of last year. And then you rallied up there to test it there in August, and it got stuffed and it became very heavy resistance. Now that's your next level of resistance. You can see we're almost there. We're trading higher after hours, and we closed around 107. And now even after hours, we're trading 109. We got up and tested and touched 110.50. So you're a stone throw away from this resistance level. I don't see any reason why this excitement and this news catalyst doesn't at least take the stock up into there.
No, I don't. There isn't a whole lot of like right now in the crypto space, all the terrible things. Watch, I'm going to say this, and then something
I know something else is going to.
But like all the really bad stuff that could have happened in the crypto space has, for the most part, already kind of taken place, right? It doesn't get much worse than FTX being a sham, okay? I mean, the only other thing that could be worse is if you woke up tomorrow and you found out that Donald Trump was, Satoshi Nakamoto. You know what I mean? Mike, 10 points. Do you know who Satoshi Nakamoto is?
The creator of Bitcoin.
All right. All I'm saying is that you really, I mean, there really isn't a whole lot of things that can, that can happen at this point that would make it. So I do think that's why I got back in today a little bit, because I do think that this has some room, and there's not a whole lot standing in front of it at the moment.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. You kind of feel that way about like some of these banks. These banks are like, we survived a lot of the bad news. And the same thing goes with crypto. I mean, crypto survived, the collapse of FTX, the collapse of Silvergate. It survived the issues with Binance. It survived the, attacks from the SEC on Coinbase. And it survived, and Bitcoin did not go to 10,000. Bitcoin held strong, and these stocks held in there. And now it's like little by little, these things that investors were worried about, little by little, they're starting to fall off. They're starting to fall off by the wayside. And that's bringing a lot of people back into the markets. And the thing is right now is that, there still was a lot of money sitting on the sidelines. You came into 2023 with probably one of the most bearish positionings amongst institutions and hedge funds over the last 2 decades, where hedge funds were in more cash than they normally would be, or they had more short exposure than they normally would. And a lot of that money is caught off sides. And a lot of that money is underperforming this year because the markets keep going higher. And there's a lot of hedge fund managers that are very smart people that have been doing this a very long time that did not see the markets back to 450 by the middle of July. And when you look at everything that took place with the bank failures and inflation and the crypto collapse, it was like everybody was like, okay, this is going to end badly. Not quite. I'm surprised. I'll be the first one to say that I'm surprised that we're sitting here at 450 on the SPY. But it's like it gives you another thing for investors to feel FOMO about. People already have FOMO about AI and NVIDIA and Microsoft and Apple and Meta. And people have FOMO over those stocks, and people have FOMO over the SPY itself and the NASDAQ that's having, that's up almost 20% this year. People have FOMO about this market. And now you add the crypto craze, and now that's just further. It's like pouring gasoline on a fire when the market already has FOMO, and then all of a sudden you shoot, crypto to the moon like that. It just further amplifies those emotions and causes more money to chase
I don't know
things
if crypto
higher.
went to the moon so much as it just got back on the launch pad.
Well, it depends on what you're looking at, right? I mean, Ripple went up 100% in a matter of an hour.
Yeah. But that was bound to happen, right? If Ripple won that lawsuit, that was bound to happen. But
right.
Ripple's got a long way to go, man. They're still going to go after Ripple for selling it as a security privately, which they shouldn't have done. But now that it's deemed publicly was not a security when they were selling it publicly, that does open a lot of the floodgates here, But even now, Bitcoin, Bitcoin's pulling back. We're gonna go. We're at 31,265. I think we're gonna test. Go back into the 30,000s in the evening. There's definitely people taking profit right now. If we look at, let's see, where was it? Look at June 14th, the low for the last 90 days on Bitcoin, right around $25,000. You're going to have a tremendous amount of people take profit today. People are going to take their profit. They're going to buy back in, and so is the market, Yeah.
Yeah. I just think that you see something like that today, though, and it just adds to that FOMO feel, like Coinbase up 27% in a day. Like to see that kind of stuff happen, it really adds to that feeling of FOMO. And there's a ton of that feeling in this market right now. Make no mistake about it. Guys, let me favor. If you guys are on this live stream, we got about almost 1,000 people that are with us. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, can you guys do me a favor and just type the letters TTG, please? If you guys, we're giving away $1,000 on this live stream too. Don't forget about that. So if you guys are not members, maybe you guys want a shot at $1,000. Why don't you guys go ahead and just type the letters TTG? You're not a member, you want a shot at $1,000? I'm giving it away here on this live. Go ahead and type the letters TTG. Let's see who we got here that's not a member. Again, if you want a shot at $1,000, type TTG. Shanta, Alan, James, what's up? Mark Carter, how are you? We got Michael, Cliff, Eric, Carol, Chris Ricciardi, Colby, Charles, David, Ghost Rider, Johnny Gutierrez never misses a stream. Kisanaya, Randy, Prince, Sean, JP, Fu, John, Finance, Tim, Jeremy Albright. How are you all doing here today? Michael, Armand, A. Carroll. A lot of new faces with us today. Adam, Joe, Mark, Paulette, The Truth, Michael Hardy. Lots of new faces here. I like it, guys. I love to see so many new people. Jennifer Hill, John Robinson, Tom G. Yes.
Let's give him a chance. All right.
Let's give him a chance at $1,000.
All right. If you're not a True Trading Group member, so that essentially means anyone that typed in TTG in chat just now, do this. I'm going to post a link inside of chat. I just did it. Now I'm going to pin it inside of chat. Go ahead, click that link, fill out the survey, fill it out honestly. Your information is secure. This helps us understand our audience better. It lets us know who you are so that we can, plan content around you and also help to market our content to people like you. Okay. Your information is 100% secure. We don't sell it, share it, barter it, give it away. None of that. All right. Nothing like that. So go ahead, click the link, fill out the survey, follow the instructions, and
here
come
comes
back.
The link spam.
Huh?
Here comes the link spam.
Here comes the link spam. And then come back here when you're done. We'll give you guys a couple minutes to finish that out. All right, we'll give you guys a couple minutes to finish that, to fill that out. While we do that, Mike, you got some good trades today, man.
No, we got some monsters, bro. We got some monsters. I mean, I'll recap kind of trades of the day for you guys today. We'll start things off with NVIDIA. We absolutely destroyed this trade. So we got long NVIDIA yesterday at 428. If you guys caught the live stream, I was going over with members that I just felt that this stock was really set for a breakout move. And, there's two things working at play here on NVIDIA. And if you caught the live stream yesterday, what we had discussed was, what is an A+ setup, right? An A+ setup. Okay. The A+ setup is when.
One sec. If you filled it out yesterday, you're good. Just click the link. There'll be a link to the YouTube channel. Click that link from the page. Follow the instructions. So if you're new and you're a TTG member or you're not a TTG member and you filled it out yesterday, you don't need to fill it out again. But you do need to click the link first. So you got to click the link either way. All right, go ahead. Sorry.
Sweet. Yeah. So yesterday I went over with you guys, why I loved NVIDIA so much for this breakout move was because you had a technical catalyst, so a technical setup on the chart that looks bullish, also lining up with multiple fundamental catalysts. When you have a situation where fundamental catalyst lines up with a technical setup, that's a grade A setup. Go after it every time. All right. That's what we saw with NVIDIA. So NVIDIA got over a key resistance level. There was only 2 resistance levels left on NVIDIA. All right. Yesterday, you'll see this 432 was a level of resistance. I'll just circle it for you so you guys can see, right? You guys can see this resistance level here at 432. There's double top, right, over these 2 days. So that resistance there, double top, 1, 2 at 432. Yesterday, we broke through that level, and you only had 1 resistance level left, and that was the all-time high that was put in place a few weeks ago. You also had an increase in volume on yesterday's breakout day through that area of resistance. But the fundamental catalyst is really what drove the premise behind this breakout and this follow-through move. What are those fundamental catalysts? Well, smaller catalysts. NVIDIA investing $50 million into a drug development company to use their technology to get involved with drug development. So NVIDIA just continues to use their technology to expand into different industries and different sectors. What companies do you know that have done something similar to that successfully? Use their technology to expand into other industries? Apple, Alphabet, right? Amazon, right? These are the biggest companies in the world that have been able to successfully do that. And NVIDIA is also doing that with their technology and with their ability with AI. But then you also had ARM AI, which is another AI company that is very highly anticipated, is going to be going public. And that's an IPO that's been in the works for the last couple of years. And their rumors are that NVIDIA is going to be a lead anchor investor in the IPO itself. So NVIDIA is going to be making a substantial investment into ARM AI as the anchor investor in the IPO. That's another catalyst for NVIDIA, right? Not only is that a catalyst for NVIDIA, it's a catalyst for the entire AI space. It brings excitement back into AI. NVIDIA is the AI leader and the AI king. When you think of AI, you think of NVIDIA. And at the same time, you had yesterday's CPI data, which is the inflation data, come in drastically under expectations, which sent technology stocks and the overall market and the NASDAQ flying. So all of these things line up for the stars to align for a breakout move in NVIDIA. This is how you need to start thinking about things when you're trying to orchestrate your trades. You're trying to determine what trades deserve my attention, what trades deserve my money, what trades are going to give me the best chance to make money. So NVIDIA was my number 1 trade idea yesterday, and we got long yesterday. We held it into today, and it was a monster. Triple-digit gains for members. Some members over 200% gain for some members on this NVIDIA position. Let's go back and let's recap the trade. It all goes back to 428. And again, if you guys caught the live stream yesterday, you already saw this, but I'll recap it for those of you that missed it. 428 was the buy price. Why is 428 the buy price? Well, if we know we want to be long, all you need to do, if you know you want to be long a stock, because of the reasons that I just went through, if you know you want to be long, look for a support level that you can buy in front of. So yesterday, NVIDIA was trading around 429, 429.50 before the market opened. So I said, okay, where's my first support level? It's 428 right here, double top. See that resistance right there, double top at 428? So that used to be resistance. Now we're gapping above it. So now we look for it to become support. That's technical analysis 101. Resistance when broken becomes support, and vice versa true as well. So we said, if the stock gets to 428, I'm going to buy it. Well, yesterday, the stock dropped to 427.77, and I bought the stock at 428.68, right there. So right there, right. I didn't waste any time. This was my number one trade idea for the day. I said, I'm buying the stock at 428. We got it 428.64, 428.68. Okay, those are fills on NVIDIA. And then we got the move there to the upside. The stock just absolutely exploded. Members jumped in. Some got into this Friday's expiration, 4:30 strike call. Some members got in next week's expiration, 4:30 strike call. And it's just an unbelievable rally, because if we got through 432, okay, this stock then has room up to the 440. We took a ton of profit off yesterday, right? We just kept on this breakout move yesterday. We just kept taking profits off on NVIDIA in the morning. And then we said, hey, I'm going to hold the rest of this position. I'm looking for a breakout to new all-time highs today. So that was the game plan. So we took profits off yesterday, but still held some. Again, guys, don't, go back and watch the live stream from yesterday. We went over this entire thing for you guys yesterday, talking about this move today. And then today we come in and the stock gaps up to new all-time highs today as PPI inflation data comes in under expectations and initial jobless claims come in under expectations. We get a gap up to new all-time highs, and the rest is history. Just an unbelievable breakout rally in NVIDIA. The stock is up another $23, trading higher after the close. I am now completely out of the position, okay? I close this position out. You got to get off the train at some point. Could this stock go to 500? You bet your ass it could. I'll trade it again, but this is an easy over 100% gain for us in True Trading Group. I'm very pleased. I'm very happy with the trade, and it just could not have gone any better. So just congratulations, all of our members, on capitalizing on this NVIDIA trade. And then on top of that, which you obviously can see was a freaking monster, on top of that, we also hit EDTX. Now, this we're switching things up a bit, because EDTX is a small cap. This is very, very crazy, insane volatility, okay? But this provided me with a wonderful entry opportunity. And for those of you that like trading these fast-moving small caps, I want to show you guys and break down for you what this setup was. What you need to learn how to do when you're trading small caps like this, ones that halt because of volatility, you got to start using prior halt prices as support and resistance levels, because that's going to help you guys trade these stocks better. And what we did, and this is what I do every time that I get into a position. When I'm inside the chat room with members, it's myself, it's 10 other professional traders. We're all with members. We're sharing our screen. We're calling out trades. We're talking live on the microphone, telling you where we're buying, where we're selling, where our orders are. You get notified when our orders actually fill. That's how we go through our trading day inside of chat. Made $600 on Baba in a $1,000 account. That's incredible. David Wark, if you guys caught my live stream a week ago when the Baba news came out, I told you guys that that's a swing trade long. We made money on Baba. A lot of members made money on Baba. That's been a monster of a trade too, from like 90 all the way up to 96.5. Beautiful move there on Baba. Congratulations, guys. So when we go back to this EDTX, all right. And you guys want to take my word for it on these things. All of these things are right here on this YouTube channel for you guys to see. Right? All these things are right here on the YouTube channel for you guys to see. Now, here's a previous halt price. These dashes are halts. That's when the stock stops trading because of volatility. It moved too far, too fast. So the stock halts for volatility. It allows the market makers to catch up with all the order flow that's coming into the market. And once we broke through that, okay, we broke through that. I'm looking at that as now a support level. And we then halted to the downside. You see this red candle, we halt to the downside, and we open up and we stay above that level, right? We stay above that level. But look what else is here. And this is an indicator that you guys will learn about when you guys become members of True Trading Group. See this teal blue line you see on my screen? This is the 9 exponential moving average. We call it the trade line. Some other people call it the golden line. I call it the trade line. This is a momentum indicator. When a stock is experiencing a clear directional momentum break and a clear directional momentum move, this often acts as support to the upside or resistance to the downside, depending on the momentum direction the stock is moving in. So when I saw us come out of this halt and we dropped right back down into this previous halt price, I had my trade line sitting there. And I also had my VWAP indicator, which is this orange line. Now you notice this orange line also showed us that it was a level of support right back here, right? We got there, test that level, and that orange line held support. And now here, trade line is acting as support. I have this previous halt price as support. And when we came out of this halt, I want you really to take a look at the volume, because this is what really gave me the confidence to step into this position. Usually, I try not to trade stocks that are very low in volume, but this stock had volume increasing as the stock was coming out of its halt, which is what I like to see. So when we came out of this halt and this level held and we pushed back up, heaviest volume of the day, and I'm like, okay, this stock does have momentum. There's still volume here. I'm going to step in. I got long right there, $32.94, right there, stepping in with the long entry. There it is. The stop loss on the position was then right underneath, okay, that level. Stop loss right down here at this second line that I just drew. I'll actually make it red for you so you guys can see what my risk was. So there's the stop loss. There's the entry. There's the stop loss. And the stock just absolutely lights things up and just goes absolutely bonkers crazy. And I just started ripping profits off into this move. Took profits there, took profits here, and then also took profits here. So we got 3 take profits off. Let's see, over 100% on Baba calls this week, thanks to TTG. Yes. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Great job. Really great job. So there are the take profits there on the EDX trade. And then when I'm trading a stock like this, that's this volatile, I do set hard physical stops as the trade works in my favor to protect against any rug pulls. And you got a rug pull and it triggered my stop. I was so pissed. So my last piece of profit came off right there at 38. I put my stop loss underneath this previous halt price, and it triggered it. And I was like, oh, and the stock then went right back up. And I was like, you damn it. So I did get out of that last piece of position. The stock ended up going significantly higher, right? So we had one more wave of upside pressure, but still very, very happy. This is a 44% gain on the equity itself. I mean, I'll never complain over a 44% gain on a stock, not an option, on a stock. Your position size is always bigger on a stock than it is on an option. So to catch 44% is another monster. And this is where I made my money today, guys. It was the NVIDIA trade and it was EDTX, and 2 completely different types of trades. One was a real quick day trade. One was a swing trade. And speaking of the swing trade on NVIDIA, new highs right now after hours, 463, as the stock continues to churn to the upside.
That is pretty awesome.
Yeah, man. It's been a great week. It really has.
You think anybody was able to make money with it?
Oh, a ton of people were able to make money with it.
How do you know?
Because they told me.
All right.
Old Tommy made $266 on a small account on NVIDIA. Yeah, the stock's still going. 463 now, still pushing. So again, guys, just a huge congratulations if you guys caught NVIDIA, if you caught EDTX, if you caught Coinbase or Baba. I mean, there's just been so much opportunity this week. We hit them all, right? The biggest movers. We hit Coinbase this week. We hit NVIDIA this week. We hit EDTX this week. These are the biggest movers this week. We hit them all. Like, take the guessing out of your trading. Lean on the moderate guys. You have 10 professional traders that are with you during the day. Lean on, let us do the heavy lifting for you, right? We tell you exactly what stocks we're focusing on. We give you watch lists before the market opens. We tell you this is the stocks we're focusing on. These are our entry prices. These are our exit prices. So you know exactly where to focus your attention before the day even begins. I understand you guys are busy. You have jobs. You got other responsibilities. You can't be putting in as much time and effort as a professional trader does. I understand that. I really do. I get it.
Yeah, but also keep in mind that what we've built here and what True Trading Group is, if you want to quit your job and become a full-time trader, that's lovely and that's great. And a lot of people have. Oh, yeah. But ultimately, that also isn't the full point, right? Like the full point is we want to make we want to empower the retail trader, and we want to make all of this accessible to you.
Yeah, exactly.
Because we want to give you all a chance to do well within the stock market while you have your career.
Yeah, that's right.
So are there people that have quit their job and started trading full time, living the dream, all that stuff? Sure. Right, Mike? See, there's people in the stream, I'm sure. Ask how many people, since joining True Trading Group have literally left their job and became a full-time trader.
Yeah, guys, do me a favor right now. If you're members of TTG, type the number 1 if you guys are now full-time traders with True Trading Group. If you guys are full-time traders now, if you've left your job, you are a full-time trader, this is your living, type the number 1 inside chat, because that's everyone's goal. Everyone's goal is to become a full-time trader, right? Trade when they want, work from anywhere in the world, work on their time, their schedule, have no limit to their upside, have no cap on how much money they can make. Just go ahead and type the number 1 right now, guys, if you guys are full-time traders. If you guys are not members of TTG, really pay attention to the people typing the number 1. This is what's possible. Listen, it's not going to happen overnight. You don't join True Trading Group and 30 days later, you tell your boss to go screw. Right?
But you also don't have, we're doing this to kind of, to show you this to kind of prove a point. You don't have to, just because you join True Trading Group doesn't mean you have to quit your job and dedicate your entire life to trading. But it's, that is there if you want that, but it's also really geared towards people that want to supplement their income, that want to make, an extra $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a year.
Adam,
not just hit a home run and then not know how to hold on to it.
Adam, not to interrupt you, but literally just before this live stream, I had a member. They're on this. I believe I saw them on this live stream. I'm not going to say your name, but if you would like to comment in chat, then be my guest, please. But this person sent me a message today and was so thankful because this person sold out of their NVIDIA, sold some, not the whole thing. They sold some of their NVIDIA position today, Adam, to put it into their college. What is it, 529, right? That's
no, oh God, I have
592 or 529, whatever, the college fund, right? And sold some of their shares and was able to take that money and put it into their kids' college fund. And they were just like, Mike, I just want to thank you for what you've been able to do for True Trading Group and teaching me and the guidance and the help and everything else. Okay. So, I mean, just unbelievable. Like, that's the stuff, man. That's what it's about, right? It's not about, oh, I want to fly on a private jet or, oh, I want to drive a Lamborghini. No, it's, I want my kid to go to the college that they want to go to. I want to be able to help my kid when it comes time for them to buy their first home. I want to make sure that my kids have a better life than I had. That is success.
Yeah.
When you ask somebody, what is the definition of success? You want to know how you know that when you're sitting there and you're on your deathbed and the light's about to go out, your clock's about to be punched. How do you know if your life was a success? Do your kids live a better life than you did? That is success.
Yeah.
That is success. You don't have to become a billionaire or be worth $500 million to be a success. Do your kids have a better life than you? Yes, you did a good job in life. That is the goal. This is the stuff that we care about in True Trading Group. Sure, mansions, boats, all these things are cool. But these things are real goals. These are people's why.
Absolutely.
Right? You have to have a why. Why are you doing this?
Yeah.
It was because what you're saying right now, like it just literally right before this live stream, right before the chat room closed, this person sent me that message. And I thought it was beautiful. I just thought it was amazing. I was, that's just so incredible. That's the stuff that I live for. So I didn't mean to interrupt you, but go ahead. I just felt it was so perfectly, it fit,
Yeah. And for those that are watching, we're just going to give another minute to allow people to fill out that survey, and then we're going to do the giveaway in here. But so that's coming up. So if you haven't already done so, click the link that's pinned in chat, fill out the survey, because in about 5 minutes we're going to do the giveaway, right? Mike, see how many people real quick are still new that are on here. Let me do something real quick.
Guys, again, one more time, if you're not a member, type the letters TTG. We're going to do the giveaway in a minute. So hopefully you guys have had a chance if you guys want a shot at this $1,000. So just go ahead and just type the letters TTG one more time if you guys are not members so we can see who we have on here. We're still, NVIDIA is still moving, bro. This is nuts. And the volume too. This thing's trading, this is after hours. It's still trading 20,000 shares every 3 minutes.
Michael D says, not a member. Give me the cash. All right.
You just take me to dinner first, Mike.
Yeah, dude. Hold the door open for me. Tell me you love me.
Give me some flowers, maybe.
Tell me you love me. Do it. Look me in the face.
Come on, man. A back rub, maybe something.
Oh, I'd kill for a back rub. We didn't give the second code word yet. Mike, what was the first code word?
Crypto.
All right. So, that's a good question. I just got a text message. Somebody said, how are these people doing it? How are they making money, becoming better traders with True Trading Group, right?
Yeah.
So I'll explain this and then we will do it. Okay, then we'll do the giveaway. But I'm gonna share my screen for a quick second here. Let me actually move this over, and this will just be easier to do it here. 1 second. All right. So how are these people doing better, making money with your trading group? Well, I'll show you, actually. So this is our actual platform. So this is our dashboard. We have a brand new platform. This whole platform is getting a major upgrade starting tomorrow. So True Trading Group members, we're super excited. We've showed you some sampling of it, and tomorrow we'll be able to debut it for you guys, and that's going to be huge. But this is our current platform, right? And inside the current platform, you have access to all of our courses, right? We have access to the Stock Market Foundations course. We have advanced courses, options courses for beginners, advanced options courses, swing trading foundation, trader psychology, how to trade a stock market crash. We have a course on how to do your taxes as a trader, crypto foundation, intro to futures, every style, every type of instrument. We have courses that that you have access to, right? Joe, if you want to post the link so they can see the syllabus, that's cool. But as you can see, everything is in text and video. Every course has an exam at the end. Every time you pass an exam, you get a little badge. You collect all 22 badges and you become TTG certified. And that unlocks some cool extra perks and features inside the platform, right? So what we do is we don't put a payment gate on any of these courses, right? These courses, when you sign up for True Trading Group, they are all included. Any course we have, any course that we will have in the future, right, as part of the curriculum, you get at no additional cost, right? So those courses are great, and they cover all styles of trading and investing and all different types of financial instrument as well, okay? So those are the courses. That's great. There's a lot of places online where you sign up, you get a couple of courses, and they charge you more for more courses, so on and so forth. Now, do we have extra stuff? Absolutely we do. We have, 2-day boot camps you can purchase if you wanted that, but all that stuff's above and beyond the courses. And it's a couple $100 if you wanted to do it. You don't have to do it, right? Most people that sign up for the True Trading Group annual membership are so blown away by the all-inclusiveness of it, that they don't, that it's like dumbfounding for them, especially if they've been part of another group somewhere else, right? We also have 600 hours of videos for you guys. I'm not going to show you all of it, obviously, but these are some of the videos here. right? How do I?
Adam, I just want to, this is a really great comment from Rob. I just want to hit this real quick. We're going to put it on the screen, Joe. Rob from South Carolina says, I lost $6,000 in 6 months prior to joining TTG. Since joining, I've broke even the first month and I've been profitable for the next 2. That is the difference right there. Like, that's what I'm saying. Just you guys, it's amazing what an actual professional education and a real platform with tools and guidance can do for you. Go ahead, Adam.
Yeah. So we also have, in addition to the courses, you get like 600 hours of video on like any single topic you can imagine. All the mods, we have 10 different pro traders inside True Trading Group. They all have different styles of trading, and they're all with you all day, every single day. They're not just there for a couple hours and then gone. You have videos like how to identify and execute your own trades, how to recession-proof your portfolio, right? Just to name a few. Then you have some other ones that I'm sure you guys are interested in, like how do you trade with a full-time job? How do you grow an account from $500 to $25,000, right? How do you resist FOMO and have confidence pulling the trigger on your own trade? These are all things that we teach you inside of True Trading Group, right? And of course, we have a chat room. This is our chat room. There's nobody in it right now except, oh, Chris is here. Hello, Chris. But this giant black space right here is where all the mods share their screen during the day. So inside of chat, we trade live with you all day from pre-market till market close. All the traders, you can go ahead, you can see everybody's screen. All the trades are live. They tell you what they're going to do before they do it so that you all have the best opportunity to make money. Okay? And then, of course, all of the trades that are made, we have a cumulative win rate of just about 80% going on 3 years, right? Which is incredible. So we keep a complete daily log of all the trades that all the mods do, and you can see all the different win rates, right? So I guess right now we have an average of 81.93%. And then right here, obviously this is not enough info. This is like, hey, trust me, bro, which is not what I'm getting at. You click down here on one of the mods' names, and it'll take you to all of their trades. So just give it a second to load. It shows every single execution on their trades. If I can get it over. So there. Every loss, every win, everything.
Every transaction we make, you guys see.
Right. Straight from their brokerage accounts every day, trading with real money right in front of your face. It's and not just Mike, every single mod, right? 100% transparency. Okay.
Only way to be.
Then, for those of you that trade options, right? We have unusual. So you get unusual options data and options flow, right? So here's the SPY. You get all the bullish versus bearish premiums for calls versus puts, everything. You get all the dark pool data. All of this is available for you. None of anything I'm showing you is an additional cost. This is all included for you. Okay? All included for you. Let's look at some dark pool prints for Rivian today. You can see it puts it right on the trading view chart for you. Everything is in real time. If you want us to get short summaries with short data, you can see all the stocks that are short. You can see the market cap, what percentage of the float is short, everything. You can even break it down by sector. So you can see which sectors, right? So dark pool by sector today. So you can see technology, everything. Get a complete broken down view of all things, okay? Then, of course, we have our simulator by ETNA. You could place fake, you could practice your trading with fake, fake money, but with real-time data. So what you're looking at right here is real-time options chain. We also have real-time full book level 2. The market's closed, which is why you don't have it there. and you can execute real-time trades with fake money. So you can practice without having to risk any of your own money. This is all included. Nothing I'm showing you is extra. Okay? Of course, we have a scanner. So this is going to be tick for tick, real-time data. You can create your own custom scanners. So you would click here, you give it a name, you select your signals, and then you can select everything: exchange, index, sector, industry, country, market cap, price, current volume, everything. And then be alerted when these, when they hit your targets. And then one of the things that I wanted to show you guys, and then we'll do the giveaway, is this. What's really neat, or some of the things, and obviously I'm not showing you everything because I'm trying to be cognizant of time, but this is really neat. When you sign up for True Trading Group, you get access to Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, which includes insider buying. So you can see all the insider buyings. Christine Poon. Sorry, Mike. And then all government trades. So you can see when Nancy Pelosi is about to go nuts on a stock. Right? Somebody says y'all should do a day when y'all do live trading real time in the market so we know it's real. We do that every day.
Don, we do that every day. Oh wait, do they mean on the live on YouTube?
I'm not doing that on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm not doing that on YouTube. No, we have thousands of members that pay to see us trade live. We're not. Listen, if you don't believe it's real, then don't join.
No. But dude, chill.
No, I'm just saying.
She has every right to question whether or not it's real. Do you know how much fake BS there is?
Yes. I'm just saying. We do it every day.
Yeah, don't do that.
We do it every day.
You get government buys, all that stuff. But here's something that's really cool. All right, here's something that's really, really cool. This is, you get access to TradingView's premium charting software. So that's what you're looking at right here. And it's all real-time tick-for-tick data, pre- post-market, every single indicator. We also have the ability so you can add custom studies like your Pine scripting to it. But what's really neat is this. Yes, you have your watch list, you have your news, all that stuff. But let's try and do this. Let's do a 6-chart layout. Right? So you can have all the different layouts that are here. But let me go back to a 1-chart layout. Let me get rid of everything. And I want to show you something new that we've integrated into this system. Type the number 1 if you can see my screen right now. I want to make sure everybody can see what I'm about to do because this is a huge game changer. Type the number 1 if you can see my screen right now. It should just be blank. But I want to show you this.
This is incredible. Rainbow Chaser started trading 2 years to supplement my SSDI. Now taking care of my 89 mama full time so don't have time as I used to, but so grateful I joined TTG almost a year ago. I killed it on Meta this week.
Yep. All right. So let me show you this. You're going to love this too, Mike. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put a chart on the screen, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There we go. I'm going to put a chart. Let's do a chart of the SPY. All right. Now, this is great, right? Chart of the SPY. You see this right here? It says GPT.
Mm-hmm.
We just integrated AI into our platform. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring over this widget. So this is my layout. And again, everything I'm showing you is included. Okay. So let's say I'm looking at this chart and I say here, let's try something, right? I say, how can I identify a golden cross on a 5-minute stock chart? So let's say I'm I think, and I know this doesn't have a golden cross, but let's say like, hey, like I think this may have a golden cross on it. I want to know. Well, now you have your very own AI assistant inside of True Trading Group that is going to help you identify and confirm what it is that you are looking at.
Yeah. Our AI, based on our education, will tell you what chart patterns there are.
Right.
And give you trading strategies to trade it.
Yep.
Call it your trader assistant.
So this is the coolest thing. I mean, I'm very proud of the stuff that we're building here.
Yep.
But this goes back to the whole thing. Why are people making money with True Trading Group? Why are they becoming better traders? Is it because they're getting the alerts? Look, this thing's still going. It's literally explaining to me how to spot a golden cross on a chart. What people have to understand is, why is it that people are doing well with True Trading Group and making money and becoming better traders? It's because we provide something real. It's that simple. Whatever we tell you we're going to give you, we do it. We do it. We give you exactly what it is that you need to be successful. It's that simple. In an environment and an industry filled with garbage and gurus and furus and all that stuff, we have created a platform to help empower the retail trader. That is who we are and what we do. So it's not because everyone's listening to Mike's trade alerts and making millions of dollars. Right? That's not why people are making money. I mean, that's got something to do with it, but it's because we provide everything we say.
Yeah.
And then people put in the effort. And it's not just for people that want to become full-time traders. It's for people that want to do something different.
Yeah.
Anyways, so this is this is just some look into the platform or whatever. This was super cool. I was really excited to show you all this right here. So anyways.
Yeah, man, that's awesome. I mean, it just goes into, like we said, True Trading Group. We are a platform. We are not just a chat room. And this is, just an example so you guys can see firsthand.
Yep. All right. So let's go ahead and get the list of people and get it plugged in and do the giveaway. You got to get the second code word, Mike.
Okay, guys. So the second code word is chaos. Chaos. The second code word is chaos. All right. Second code word is chaos. Should I give him the first code word again, Adam?
Yes.
Guys, the first code word, in case you missed it, will be fair, was crypto. So the two code words are crypto chaos. Those are the code words for today. So here's the deal. Adam is going to load up everyone's name into that, filled out that survey, into the wheel of names. It is a random name picker. We're going to spin that wheel. If your name is called, you will have 2 minutes. Adam?
Yeah, I think that's fair.
You will have 2 minutes to send a text message to 786-505-4221. The phone number is at the bottom of the screen. If your name is called, you must text that number, give us both code words, and $1,000 is yours.
All right. That's correct. Hang on a second.
Good luck, everybody.
Well, hang on. I got to plug everything in. See how many people are still new that are on here. I hope somebody new wins it.
Yeah. I would be, and they would, take that money and then just join True Trading Group with it. Guys, if you're still not a member, let's just see how many people we have that are participating in this giveaway that are not members. Type the letters TTG if you guys are not members and you want a shot at this $1,000. He goes, yeah. See, Alan goes, yeah, if I win, it's going right back to you. All right, we still got a bunch of people here. Mario, Finance, Mark, Armand, Crazy
Ask
Guy.
them what they thought of the platform.
Yeah, guys, all of you, everyone that's not a member, what'd you guys think of the platform that Adam just showed you? For those of you that are not obviously members, you guys already know the platform. We know you guys love it. For those of you that are not members, what'd you guys think? Be honest. Be honest. If you thought it was it was okay, tell us. What do you guys think about the platform? That everything that Adam just showed you, all the tools, all the resources. What do you guys think about it? Nice. Looks great. Great. Looks clean and sleek. Great. Looks good. Lots of helpful things. I want it. Mark Anderson says you'll make your membership fee back in a month. Ghost Rider, it's robust as hell. David, it's fantastic. Wow, amazing.
Yep.
Yeah, it's one hell of a platform. It really is.
Yeah, and we're not slowing down either. We're going to continue to build it out and continue to offer more stuff. And because you never know, right? Like we offer a lot, but you never know what somebody's going to get into. And we want people to have whatever it is that they want to get into. We want to make sure that you have that at your fingertips without being charged more money.
Yeah, dude, listen, a year ago, if you asked us a year ago, hey, do you guys see yourself having an AI trading assistant? I would say, no, that's not on the docket.
Right, it's not on the docket.
That wasn't on the docket. That wasn't part of our development plan for the company and for the platform. But then AI took off, and Adam and our team of developers, we have an in-house team of developers, and Adam also has that background, and they went to work and have been building out this AI platform, this AI bot to implement into and integrate into our platform so that you guys can use it, and it's learning from all of our education. So like all of our courses and everything, it's learning from that. And then that's happening. And now you guys can go through and you can use this AI tool to help you in your trading. And you can ask the AI tool, hey, what chart pattern is there on this chart? Show them a chart of NVIDIA, show them a chart of Tesla or Meta or Netflix or Peloton or Palantir or Rivian, whatever. Right. And you can have this AI and okay, well, how would I trade this? If I wanted to swing trade this for a long, help me develop a trading strategy? And the AI bot, when our AI assistant will help break down a trading strategy for you. I mean, this is game-changing stuff, guys.
Yeah. 1 second, I'm just loading in the names. It's just populating right now.
All right, so we're just loading up the names, guys, and then in a minute we'll spin the wheel and good luck.
Maybe give the code word, both code words one more time.
The code words, guys, are crypto chaos. Those are the two code words, crypto chaos. All right, those are the two code words. So if your name is called, you're going to have 2 minutes to send a text message to 786-505-4221. And you got to give us both code words, and $1,000 is yours.
Yeah, that's a really good point there, too, if you want to read that out.
Oh, yeah. I compared the price of this to taking a boot camp in my industry. The cost was a no-brainer, and the training this far has been great. Learn at your own pace. Exactly. You guys have access to the courses and everything 24/7, 365. So you go at your own pace. You go at on your own schedule. We also have a double your money back guarantee, so there's no rush, right? You have all year to go through the courses and go through the workshops and everything, and not feel like, oh, I got to do this all in 14 or 30 days in order to get the money back guarantee. Some companies offer like a 14-day money back guarantee as if that's enough time for you to figure out if this is right for you. We give you the entire year of your membership. And if you guys can't make back your membership fee at least one time during your membership, we give you back double what you paid to join our community.
How does that work real quick?
So that's how much we believe in our platform, right? Adam and I believe very much in the platform that we built and its ability to help you reach your goals. And we put our money behind it. You know, we put our money where our mouth is. Okay. So when you guys join True Trading Group, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend a study group. We do study groups every Thursday. We have one today as soon as this live stream's over. And utilize the platform that you guys are subscribed. Don't just log on to our website 4 times all year and be like, oh, I didn't make any money. No, use the platform, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group. You have all year to do that at your own pace, on your own time, your own schedule. And if you can't make back the membership fee at least one time during your membership, we will give you back double what you paid to join the community.
Yep. Somebody says here, Jiminy Dave says, I don't have full time to trade. You don't need it.
Jiminy, you don't need full time.
Look, hold on a second. If we have built this platform for people that if they wanted to trade full time, they could, and they would get great benefit. But it's really designed for those that work full time jobs, that don't have every minute to sit in front of their computer, that are looking for something real that they can keep up with.
Yep.
Right? That's what this was designed for. So we're not looking to have a community of just where everyone's a day trader and trades for a living.
R. Salinas, who has been killing it. Congratulations on your success. This really works. The sooner you do the classes, the sooner you start making money. I trade during working hours and my breaks on lunch. Terrell Murray says, I love my new job as a full-time trader. I quit my old job to trade and I was making $100K a year. I've made $40K in 2 months with TTG. TTG is great.
All right.
Yes, Billy, there is a study group
since April.
There you go. Yeah, I told you, our Salinas has been killing it. Up $78,000 since April. That's insane. Congratulations. I'd say the membership is well worth it.
All right.
And that's not counting this week. And I know they've had a big week this week because they've been in. I know you've been in a lot of the same trades I've been in too, because we've been talking about it. So I know you hit a lot of the same trades. All right, let's do it. Let's spin the wheel. Good luck, guys. Again, you got to text the number at the bottom of the screen if your name is called. You'll have 2 minutes. You got to give us both code words. Good luck.
All right, here we go. Oh, real quick. Yes, we are doing a workshop in True Trading Group. That workshop will take place at 6:30. 6:30. The main chat room is open now, but it will take place at 6:30. All members and all new members that will hopefully sign up tonight, they're invited. All right, here we go.
Let's do it. Good luck, guys.
We said 2 minutes, right?
2 minutes.
Okay.
More than enough time.
There's people that already sent it in. Those people are disqualified.
Yes. And the winner is Ty McSparrin. Ty McSparrin. Congratulations.
Ty is going to be McSpendin.
You've got 2 minutes, Ty. You have 2 minutes to send a text message to the phone number at the bottom of the screen, 786-505-4221. Send a text to that phone number with both code words, and $1,000 is yours. Ty McSparrin, the clock starts now. You have 2 minutes. Do not make us spin this wheel again. You have almost 1,000 people that are rooting against you right now because they want us to spin the wheel. You shot the timer at them?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. They got 1 minute and 12 seconds.
Really? It's been 50 seconds already?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. All right, Ty. You're down to 1 minute. So 1 minute's gone by. There's still no text. It's not looking good. What, 40 seconds, Adam?
32.
30 seconds. Looks like we're going to be spinning again. Twenty seconds. Oh, tie. I hope that's not TTG username, Ty.
It isn't.
No.
Done.
That's it. Sorry, Ty. You had your chance.
All right.
Spinning the wheel again.
2 minutes again, or you want to do a minute and 30?
Yeah, 2 minutes. One more. We'll do 2 minutes. If they don't get it after this, then we'll.
Let's do a minute. We'll do a minute 30.
All right, you guys have a minute 30.
This drags on for way too long.
Yeah, we got a minute and 30 seconds, guys. Here we go.
Hang on. I gotta set it up on my end.
All right. So now, if your name is called, you will have a minute and 30 seconds to send a text message to the phone number at the bottom of the screen and give us both code words, and $1,000 is yours.
All right. All right.
All right, guys. Here we go. Good luck. I think the winner is going to be named Mark.
Does it work if I'm not American? Absolutely. We have members in 115 different countries.
Yeah, Mario. Yeah, we have members in 115 countries. Yarissa Ramirez. Right. Yarissa, congratulations. You have 90 seconds to send a text message to 786-505-4221 and give us both code words. Yarissa, if you send us both code words, $1,000 is yours.
All right.
The clock starts now.
Yarissa is not currently a member.
Yarissa's not a member. All right. Well, let's see. Yarissa's not a member. Let's see if she's on the live.
Somebody says, just not fair for Ty, guys.
What's not fair?
Yarissa won.
She just did it?
She just did it.
Way to go, Yarissa. Congratulations, Yarissa.
Now, Yarissa, would you like to use that to sign up for True Trading Group? That's the question. We shall see.
We shall see. We shall
All right.
see.
So we have a winner. Now, what we are going to do, let's see here. What we're going to do is this. We kept the price at $9.27 from last night. Okay? We're going to leave it at $9.27 until midnight tonight. Okay? Any new member.
Oh, that's right. We got that. We have the other giveaway tomorrow.
Anybody that signs up for a new membership tonight will be included in a $5,000 giveaway tomorrow. Okay? So, with that said, what happens at midnight tonight? The price is going to move up. For those of you that have been on here, ask how many people that have been on here that are not members have been on a live before. Just ask them that while I pull this up.
Wait, so who's not a member but has been on the live?
Yeah, that has seen us before.
Guys, do me a favor. Let's make this easier. Type the number 1. Type the number 1 if you guys are not members, but you have been on a live stream previously. This is not your first live stream, but you're not a member. Just go ahead and type the number 1. See how many people that are not members, but have been return viewers. Jeremy, Ryan, John, Evilai, Shanta, John, Colby, Finance. Oh, Mario just actually saw our live stream for the first time yesterday. Armand, Randy, Denny. Jeremy Albright's been on all week. Nice, Jeremy. Welcome back, bro. Hope to have you part of the team soon, man. Hope you had a good week. A lot of the stuff that we've been going over has been working out pretty well. Denny Garcia from North Carolina. Denny, Duke or UNC, brother? What's it going to be? Linus, Chris Ricciardi. Your time to join, Chris, is soon. I feel it. I feel like we're going to welcome Chris Ricciardi soon to the group. I don't know when, but I feel like it's going to be soon.
Cool. Well, I want to share something with them real quick, and then we can go forward with that. So, 1 second. So, here is what we have done. It has been a long time coming that we finally raise our prices for True Trading Group. It has been a very long time coming. It is something that we've been needing to do. We are doing it. We are in the process of it. And yeah, it's something that we are moving forward with. What I want to show you guys is this. We have a pricing schedule that we are going to be adhering to between now and September. And then at September, we're going to go ahead and kind of take it to the next level and push it up over $1,500 and $2,000, right? It's not a matter of inflation is coming down. If you look at any other company that offers even anything remotely similar, which is always going to be less than what it is that we have, the price is incredibly more expensive. What I want to show you guys is this. We have an entire schedule of how we are moving the price up till September. Tomorrow, the price is going to be $977, then $987, then $997, then over $1,000, and so on and so forth, until on September 4th, we get to $1,500. We'll let it sit there at $1,500 for a bit before we continue to move it up. So we are very committed to finally moving the price up. It's something that we've gone back and forth with 1,000 times. The price will never be what it was at the low point a little while ago, whatever it was, when it was like 800 without a laptop or something. It'll never be there again. So much to the point where I would say if it ever did go there again, which it would not, we would give you a price match guarantee on it. So if we did go there and you paid a higher price, I would give you cash for the difference. What do you think, Mike? Good?
I think that's great.
So this is our schedule. This is our plan. We're sticking to it as a company. I know that in the past, we have not been the best at sticking to these increases, but we are sticking to them now. Okay. So with that said, tonight is the last night to get a 58% discount before the price is going to move to $977 tomorrow. Okay? So you can save yourself the $50. Or if $50 is no big deal, then just wait. Okay? Mike, tell them how to sign up. And I also want you to know that we do have laptops today as well. We've been very fortunate to get these Windows laptops.
You've been killing it with these things.
Yeah, and they're Windows laptops, so it's like a full Windows laptop. It's not a Chromebook or anything like that.
Right. Also, how many we got?
Huh?
How many? How many we have?
What's on the sheet? We have a good amount. We have 13.
That's not bad. All right. All right, guys, it's good news. It's a good day. It's a good day. NVIDIA is at 464. Coinbase is at 109. And we have 13 laptops. So all you guys have to do, if you want to join the community, for the $927 price point, it's a 58% discount. You go to ttgoffer.com. You will then use the coupon code TTG121. You guys, you must manually enter that code, TTG121. Click apply code. The price will drop down to the $927. When you go to ttgoffer.com, the price is going to say $2,212. Enter the coupon code, TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops to $927. If you see a laptop icon, a picture of a laptop, if you see one in your checkout cart, that is how you know you're getting one. After 13 people join, the laptop will no longer be visible in the checkout cart. You don't have to enter your address to get the laptop. And rather, you're going to get a welcome email after you join. So be on the lookout for it. That welcome email will have instructions how to claim your laptop. All right. And do not forget, I'm giving you a double your money back guarantee. So this is the way it works. You join now for $927. You go through the courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group. And if you cannot make back the $927 fee that you are paying to join, if you can't make that back at least one time during your membership, we'll give you back $1,854. That is double what you are paying to join. Now, I don't think you need the double your money back guarantee, but it's there to give you peace of mind and to hold us accountable. I know we talk a big game on these live streams, but that's how we back it up. We put our money where our mouth is. That's how much we believe in the platform that we have created and its ability to help you reach your goals. Just go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code, price drops $927. Enter info, check out, check your email, get the welcome email. You guys are good to go. I can give you the double your money back guarantee, quite frankly, because we've only had to give a refund to 2.39% since 2016. Our refund rate is 2.39. Now, if our refund rate was 15% or 20%, I would not be able to offer you double your money back. But it's 2.39, so I can. 78% of our members have renewed their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members. And we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with well over 2,200 reviews. So based on all that, I can offer you the double your money back guarantee, even though I really honestly don't think that you need it. Now, guys, this $927 price point, it includes everything. All right. It includes for you all of our courses. Our courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I went through, the 3-month training that I went through when I worked at the fund in New York. You guys get access to all of it. There are no VIP courses or pro courses that cost more money. Every course is included. Joe, if you want to post the link again one more time, you guys can click on the link. You'll see the list of all of the courses that you guys have access to, the entire syllabus. Then you get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, live up to the second news alerts directly inside of chat, congressional trading data, track trades by Congress, insider trading, track trades by management members, Just that, if you went to Benzinga, those three things, you're going to spend well over $1,000 a year. Those things are all included when you join TTG for just $927, and you get everything else. Quote Media's full book level 2, Trading Views premium charting software, the Trade Ideas scanner, a simulator from ETNA lets you trade stocks, options, crypto, and futures with fake money but real-time data, dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data. All of this is included for $927. A trading journal that tracks your trades, breaks it down to the statistics for you. A social sentiment scanner tells you what stocks are talked about most on social media. Analyst ratings on any company you're interested in. You can get a downloadable report. It shows you how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on the name. We give you the watch list every day from the moderators. These are the stocks we're focusing on. These are our entry prices, and these are our exit prices. You know exactly where to focus your attention before the day starts. A video library with 600 hours of workshops and webinars covering different topics. And you can start attending all these workshops live. We have one starting in 12 minutes. In 12 minutes, we have one of our option trading moderators is going through doing a live workshop, a study group session that starts in 12 minutes. If you're a member, you can go in their main chat room right now. It starts in 12 minutes. Go ahead, enjoy, go learn with our members. Go get taught by a professional trader. All of this is available to you guys when you join True Trading Group for just the $927. And when you pay $927 today, you're locking yourself in at that price. Our membership could be $2,500 next year. It doesn't matter. When your membership comes up time for renewal, you only pay the $927. You're locking yourself in at that price. That's a big deal because 78% of our members renew their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members. So I'm pretty confident you're going to want to renew yours. Go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops down to $927. You see a laptop, that's how you know you're getting one. Be on the lookout for that welcome email. It has instructions on how to claim that free laptop. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. It's going to be a brand new Asus, Acer, HP, Dell, or Lenovo Windows laptop. Use it to trade with. Give it to your kid for school. Sell it on eBay. I don't care. Put the money back in your account. But you have until midnight tonight before the price jumps to $977. So save yourself the $50. Grab it now for $927 and get one of these laptops. If you're watching this after it's aired, how do you know you're getting a laptop? Simple. When you go to ttgoffer.com, do you see a laptop? Yes, then you're getting one. Simple as that. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. Don't forget, we have members in 115 countries. You live on planet Earth, I'll get you the laptop. All right? If you have any questions about anything, if you're having a hard time signing up, do not hesitate to text us. We're fully transparent. We're an open book. We'll answer any questions you have. 786-505-4049. That phone number is right at the bottom of your screen. 786-505-4049. Text that number. We'll answer any questions that you guys have. All right. Again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Guys, head on over, members, head on over into the main chat room. The study group session starts in 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy. It was a fantastic day for the members inside chat. We'll look to close the week off tomorrow with a bang. It's been green, 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 green all week. Let's close it out with another green day on Friday. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. If you guys haven't done so, subscribe, smash the like button, turn on your notifications. I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care, everybody.